In this tutorial, we are going to cover suppliers. Start by tapping the menu icon at the top left and tap Suppliers to bring up the supplier screen. Let's add a new supplier by tapping the plus sign in the bottom right. All of these fields, with the exception of the very first one, supplier name, are optional. They provide a great way to keep your information organized and easily accessible, but are not required. We will call this supplier Distributor A. We can add their address, 123 Main Street, Chicago, Illinois, 60608. Next, add the phone number of 888-888-8989. Now let's enter the contact person as John Doe. John's direct cell number is 888-888-1234. And his email address is john@distributora.com. We'll enter our account number, 123, and the website is distributora.com. The schedule feature is an optional tool to keep ordering deadlines and delivery days straight. Let's say that we get deliveries from Distributor A on Tuesdays and Fridays. Then we can add our order deadlines. For Tuesday deliveries, we need to order by Monday at 4 p.m. For Friday deliveries, we need to order by Thursday at 4 p.m. You can add as many as you want, even every day if you'd like. To make changes, just go back and edit as necessary. Or you can tap the green X to delete the deadline. The Notes section is simply anything you'd like to note for your own reference. Let's note that this is our primary cheese distributor. Tap Save, and it will return to the supplier page showing a list of our suppliers. If we want to view the details for a supplier, we can tap on their supplier name. To make changes, tap Edit and make any necessary updates. If we go back to the supplier list, we can swipe left to update, duplicate, or delete the supplier. Swipe right to go back.